Conserving the rich cultural heritage of India is a key tenet of the Tata Group's philosophy of giving back to society. Tata companies contribute significantly to the conservation of traditional arts and crafts, restoration of heritage architectural structures, and of tribal sports, languages, and forms of music. In Varanasi, the Indian Hotels Company Limited brings alive the distinct regional culture and heritage for its guests. One of the biggest attractions at Varanasi from tourists world over is the Ganga Aarti held at the Dashashwamedh Ghat on the banks of the river Ganga early evening at dusk. IHCL recognized the potential of this traditional ritual and lent a helping hand to maintain its splendor. To revive the dying craft of handloom weaving of the world-famous Banarsi silk, IHCL supports local artisans by procuring the silk and saris for uniforms of the front desk staff at its hotels. The program also empowers women by encouraging their inclusion into the craft and providing them a livelihood opportunity. To preserve 163 years of the rich Indian Railways heritage, IHCL took collaborative interest in the conservation at the National Rail Museum in New Delhi, which houses rare steam, diesel and electric locos, royal saloons and lots of artifacts. Visitors are given a rare view of the glorious history of Indian Railways through 3D virtual reality experiences, simulator rides and a heritage restaurant. About 8 kilometers east of the National Rail Museum stands the Humayun's Tomb, a Mughal garden tomb of epic scale, built in the 1560s and now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When a fierce thunderstorm dislodged the tomb's finial, the Tata Trust and Titan Company joined hands with the Aga Khan Foundation and the Archaeological Society of India to restore and rehabilitate this grand dynastic mausoleum. In addition to sponsoring the gold required to recreate the finial, Titan also contributed its expertise in jewelry making to execute this project to the finest scale. From the national capital to the financial capital, Tata companies have contributed to restoration of monuments of historical importance. The heritage Rajabhai Clock Tower, built in the Gothic and Venetian style of architecture and located in the Fort campus of the University of Mumbai, was restored by Tata Consultancy Services in collaboration with the Indian Heritage Society, and the library, which houses a collection of rare books, was converted into a digital-led, technology-enabled center of excellence. In Jharkhand, a place of timeless traditions and unique culture, Tata Steel's Tribal Culture Society has been working to revive and preserve the traditions and ethos of the tribal communities. It has taken measures to protect the tribal languages such as Santali and Ho by conducting classes across a number of learning centers. The society also encourages tribal youth to learn to play traditional musical instruments like the Banam, Mandar and Tumda, and promotes tribal sports such as Kati, Sekor, Chur, Bahuchor and Ramdel through grassroots level tournaments in Jharkhand and Odisha. Samvad, a tribal conclave by Tata Steel, is one of the world's largest tribal conclaves, drawing more than 1,500 artists, scholars, thinkers each year. Tribals from across the globe participate in this extravaganza, covering performances, conversations, film screenings and handicraft exhibitions held to celebrate and promote the richness and diversity of tribal cultures. Tata companies' focus on culture preservation also leads to unique collaborations. One such example is the chefs of IHCL collaborating with Samvad by Tata Steel to celebrate, document and learn the richness and nutritional wisdom of tribal cuisine. The collaboration showcases and raises awareness regarding the flavorful slow foods of our native communities. The Tata Group is committed to conserving, restoring and reviving diverse cultural artifacts to preserve for future generations a rich legacy of cultural abundance.